Hey everyone, today I'm going to go over the instructions for the Permatex Windshield Repair Kit, with the addition of some notes from my personal experience. But before we get started, I have a tip for you. Go ahead and check with your insurance provider to see if they cover windshield repairs for free. This could save you some money, effort, and in quality. Unfortunately, I found out too late before repairing this car, but I was able to utilize the free service for another car I had. If you continue with this kit, they claim it's for bullseyes only that do not exceed 1 1/4 inch in diameter. They also recommend you do this repair in a shaded area during the daytime, with temperatures between 50 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, your results may vary since not all chips and cracks are the same, nor is our windshield construction. The only materials I suggest you need beyond what's in the kit are some paper towels and glass cleaner to clean up any mess you made. Step 1. Clean loose pieces of glass from the damaged area with the push pin. Clean the windshield around the damaged area with the alcohol towelette. Then put some paper towel at the bottom of the windshield to catch any resin flow. Step 2. Take the adhesive disc and peel the backing off one side. With the tab pointing up, line up the hole with the center of the damage. Press the adhesive onto the glass and make sure there are no air bubbles by checking from the inside of the vehicle. Step 3. Peel off the other side of the adhesive disc. I found that the red side was a little difficult to peel, but just stay patient. Line up the pedestal with the adhesive disc and press down firmly. Step 4. Away from a painted surface, they say cut the tip off of the resin tube, but I just twisted it open. Once open, place the tube 1/4 inch into the pedestal and give it a good squeeze, but make sure you save some for a later step. I know it's hard to know since neither the pedestal or the tube is clear to know if you have some left, but you can give it a small squeeze to see if there's any left. They say put the cap back on the tube, but I don't really see how that's possible, so I just put it down to the side on a paper towel. Step 5. Make sure the plunger is pushed all the way into the syringe, then firmly twist and insert the syringe into the pedestal. The fit should be tight. Step 6. Hold the syringe with one hand and gently pull the plunger up and lock it into the lowest indent setting. If there's a good seal, the plunger will want to return down to its original position. Rotate the metal or plunger as needed. Now let it sit for 10 minutes. Step 7. Remove the syringe to allow air in. With the plunger still locked in the lowest setting, reinsert the syringe into the pedestal. Hold the syringe with one hand and gently push the plunger down to the upper indent. If there's a good seal, you should feel some resistance when pushing the plunger down. If not, repeat step 7, this step, until you create that good seal. Allow this to sit for 20 minutes. Step 8. Remove the syringe. They recommend using the safety razor to slowly remove the pedestal and adhesive disc from the glass, but I just used my fingers for this. I also recommend to put paper towel in the other hand to leave it below the disc to catch any running resin. Now clean any residual resin from the glass. Step 9. While holding the resin in one hand and curing strip in the other, carefully squeeze a bead of any remaining resin into the hole of the damaged area. Immediately place curing strip over the damaged area to hold resin. Step 10. Remove any air bubbles by using the safety razor to lightly smooth over curing strip. Move the vehicle into direct sunlight and let it sit for 15 minutes, 1 hour if it's a cloudy day. Once cured, remove the curing strip and smooth over the glass with the safety razor and clean the windshield. That's all there is to it. Your results may vary, but this is my before and after. It's been several months now and it's held up and not expanded. I hope that this helped you. Good luck, and thanks for watching.